My channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a grinding home for your pets. So if you're like making a neon pet or aging your pets up, of course you need a grinding home so you can do all the tasks very quickly. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make that. First I would recommend buy a tiny house and change the name to grinding home so you actually know this is the grinding home. Okay, next up I'm going to show you guys how to build one. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take barriers, color them white, and close the other like two rooms like this, like I did. Then you're supposed to pick a nice wallpaper for yourself. You can pick any you like. I'm thinking about that one. I don't remember where I saw it. Ooh, this. I like the teacups on it, and maybe I could use this one. Yeah. Then pick a nice floor. I'm thinking about white. Yes, I will actually make it white. Then I would say it's kind of dark in here, so maybe you could add a light or a lamp. Let's see, maybe the triple hanging lights. You could add that. You could do anything you like. Yeah, I like that. Actually no, it's yellow. I don't like it. We will move on to the light setter. Okay, so first I would say take some stars or hearts. So can you guys see this awkward area, like the white part? I would say add some stars on them so it looks like it's the part. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks like a really weird white area. So if you add stars, it won't look like that, like this. Yeah, and make sure your grid size is small and color them any color you like. Okay, now I'm adding so you guys can see that it just doesn't look like the weird like color it looked like. I don't know how to explain it, but you guys get the point, right? Okay, yeah. So now what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to section the house off. So first you're supposed to decide where you want which thing to be. So what I'm gonna do is first, so this house, it depends, the items you use, it depends on how much it's gonna cost. Like if I used, like, you know that the pet beds are like $100 or 120 each, but the cribs are like $5 each. So if you use the crib and you use like three of the four of them, it's gonna cost you about $20. But if you use four of the pet beds, let me show it to you guys, it's gonna cost you $400. So it's completely your choice on what you want to do. If you want to be fancy, you can use the pet beds. If you don't want to be fancy, you can use the normal cribs, like if you just need it for, you know, aging. Guys, I did a little change of plans. First I thought I was gonna use the wallpaper. I mean, I am using the wallpaper. I'll tell you guys what I changed. So rather than adding like those stars, I covered the walls with mirrors. I feel like it makes the place look more open. I added these neon, let me see, what are they called, neon arrows, and I added this neon sign. It says grind, and I added some balloons because it looks really nice. Guys, so as I mentioned before, you have to definitely plan before you build. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do like the sleep, the eat area, and then like the bath taking area, you know. Okay, so let me tell you guys how I made this, like the stand type thing. I don't know what you call it. Okay, so I used the fancy pet bed and I used a large disc and I colored it this blue color and I just put it on top of it, so it kind of looks like a stand. Because if I just put it like, you know, let me show you guys, it doesn't look, what is happening, I'm glitching. Okay, so if I put it just like that, it doesn't look as good, but if I put it on like a large disc, I feel like it looks a lot more, what is happening, can someone tell me? Okay, so I feel like it looks a lot nicer. And you know, like the tiny home is, if you like add, I know what I'm saying at this point. Okay, so the tiny home, as I added mirrors, it looks a lot bigger, so I kind of need to fill out the space. So that's also one of the reasons why I added these pet beds. And by the way, these cost $200 each, and that, I know that's super expensive, and you don't have to be, you know, use fancy stuff like I'm doing. Let me tell you guys what you can do. You can just, you know, use these cribs like that. You can just line them up 1 2 3 and that's it. You don't need to be super fancy, but you guys know me, I just have to. Okay, then I have this like neon arrow here. It says nom 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 because it's like the eating area. I also added some balloons, as I said before, and I didn't change the color of them. I thought of using the retro aquatic pet food what do you call it, food feeders, I don't remember the name, okay, the pet food bowls. But then I was like, that's just way too expensive, like 140, and these are like $99 each. So I just spent too much money on the beds and stuff. So I thought I would be, go a little cheaper this time. Now I added these two showers. I don't know if you guys can see, one in the side pink and one is the side blue. So instead of adding like a yellow shower, I thought, why not add a mini one, because I don't know, this is so small, I like it. Oh, I'm an adult. Okay, then what sorry, then okay, now I'm gonna change the sign to something like splash maybe. I always change my signs to splash, I don't know why, I just do. Okay, now I feel like you guys can see the floor looks too white. Now okay, let me just zoom out right now, and maybe I'm gonna add a rug or something, because otherwise it's kind of looking empty, and you guys know I hate that. I think I might actually add a donut rug right here or somewhere, and I'm gonna take out a lamp. I cannot find the one I like. Okay, this one. Okay, I like the color of it now. Now I'm gonna take how many, I don't know guys, people actually put bone rug, but the bone rugs on top of this one to hide the like the donut whole thing, I don't know what you call it. Okay, so I don't want to do that, because like the bone rug is so expensive, and I like the how the donut looks like, so I don't have a problem with that. I accidentally mistyped donut, I wrote donut. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna add this one now, and maybe color this one light yellow. Okay, I like the way that looks. I like adding rug because it like really fills in the place, if you know what I mean. It's amazing. It just, fills out any area. Okay guys, one more quick little thing. I added a glitch build inside. I mean, of course, I didn't make a sky castle or a mansion or something, but you glitch it like that. Okay, so when I found out it wasn't enough space to like, put pianos in the, if in case you guys didn't know, the piano does the park task, because like you're bored and you play the piano and then you're cured of boredom. So I added two of these pianos right here, and just added these stars on the barriers. I feel like it looks nice, and I added some posters. I mean, I know it's kind of crooked, but that's fine. And now I can always do my task. Okay guys, so this house costed me about 2,700, yeah, 2,700 Adopt Me bucks. I know that's very very expensive, and you don't have to use the things that I did. I mean, you could pretty well use the $5 cribs, and that would be enough. Yeah, you don't have to be all fancy and stuff, but yeah, I just had to. Okay, I'm just like that. Okay guys, so this was my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time.